Hey there, beautiful people! Today, we're going on a super fun adventure at Hagnaya Beach Resort in Cebu. Hagnaya in San Remigio, Cebu, is a town close to my mama's hometown, Bogo City. Look, here we are, walking into the big, beautiful resort with smiles on our faces. This resort is on Cebu North, Hagnaya Wharf Road, in San Remigio, in the northern part of Cebu. It takes 3 to 4 hours from the city. Hagnaya Beach Resort is a fancy place hidden in the quiet area of San Remigio. This resort also has a big, cool ship right in the middle of the pool. You can explore the ship all the way up to the roof deck to take pictures, and there's even a bar inside. And our favorite spot is the kiddie pool. The kiddie pool is the perfect size for us to splash, play, and just have the best time ever. The kiddie pool is our little paradise where we can enjoy every splash and giggle. It's full of fun things that make every moment special. We're making huge splashes and laughing our hearts out. Every splash, every laugh, and every hug is a special moment we cherish. Swimming in the kiddie pool with Kiana is more than just fun, it's a memory we'll always treasure. It's a great place to play at the pool. You know, spending time with our loved ones is the most precious thing in the world. Just like our fun day at Hagnaya Beach Resort, every moment we share with family is a special treasure. So, go ahead and make beautiful memories with your loved ones because those are the moments that stay in our hearts forever. Everyone is laughing and having the best time. Keep making those precious moments with the ones you love. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable family bonding. See you next time, and please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Bye-bye.